Salamuna Auniki Hili. Welcome guys on e-learning Pashto online education. So this is going to be the fourth lecture of idioms, actually most common idioms. These 10 most common idioms are invariably important for your spoken English. So let's get the ball rolling. Okay, the first idiom of the day is apple of my eye. Apple of my eye means someone, something who is loved more than others. Zama dastar kutur ya mata grande te apple of my eye. My Mac computer is the apple of my eye. Zama Mac computer chide mata ngani dir grande mata dir mahbub de. Check the apple of your eye. Sasi dastar kutur sugi. Next is wise owl. A wise owl means very wise. Diru khiyar aw zirak shakhs wise owl wilkigi. I consider myself to be a wise owl. Pazan bani dir khiyar aw zirak wale guman kavam. Next is burn the midnight oil. To burn the midnight oil means read or work late into the night. Burn the midnight oil. Nowadays I sleep during the day and burn the midnight oil. Make a sentence using the idiom. Next is under the weather. Under the weather means to be or feel ill. Under the weather will keep. Ask me to drive BMW today. I'm a bit under the weather. BMW motor. Make a sentence using the idiom. Next is apple of my eye. Actually, a repeated one. Somebody I love the most, my favorite person, whatever. Her granddaughter is the apple of her eye. Pay the price means to suffer the consequence of someone's action. Jibran awal tawan prekawal. Yani yow sa galat dikri aw daga bitaga jibran tawani guri dida pay the price will kiki. Idiom kana islai manai dada. My friend paid like software and now he is paying the price. Zma malgari dir nari mundi safi rawdi vi agasi vi wasi jibran nahi matlab wasi aga tawan pazan tiri. Next idiom is ins and outs. Ins and outs means full detail, all the information. Mukamal juziyat, tul malumat, the ins and outs will kiki. I want to know all the ins and outs of my 15 lakh and how and when they will be given to me. The waram chipatul juziyat to pusham dakhpal binzal asla kurpu. Chisaranga kalav mata pasrak will kiki. Another idiom is a dime a dozen. A dime a dozen means a very common and of no value. Diram yadir ziyat. او داسې یو څه چې هغه مطلب د ډیر عام والی په وجه باندې ارزښت یې له منځه تللی ځکه چې یو څه عام شي نو هغه طبیعي خبره ده چې ارزښت یې کمیږي ټیټېږي. یوټیوبرز nowadays are a dime a dozen. نن سبا یوټیوبران بیخي سخت زیات شوي دي. هغه خلک وایي که نه وایي خپې لاندې وایي بس چې څومره د خوښۍ پیدا کړي. What else is a dime a dozen nowadays? Next idiom is null and void. Null and void means of no use. Biarzakta, chati, biasara chino de sifadina usi. Akhir null and void will kigi. The government was stunned to hear the Kodra scheme was null and void. Hukumat khairana shu chikale war the Kodra scheme aga plan chu aga de sifadina u biarzakta chati u. What do you think is null and void today? Tas pokman nan sabasi di chaga matlab biarzakta de au hitsar zakna lari. So these were the 10 top common idioms. Let's just have a quick review. Null and void, a dime a dozen, ins and outs, pay the price, apple of my eye, under the weather, burn the midnight oil, wise owl, apple of my eye. So these were the idioms, and make sure guys you practice and learn these idioms practically in order to be helpful for your spoken English. So until I join you in the next class, wishing you all the best.